Go.
Hello, this is my monkey. The monkey can climb. And this monkey have 4 legs. Monkey have 2 legs, not 4 legs. 4 legs, and can climb and eat fruits or bananas. This one has like you eat bananas. I like bananas. And what do you like, Mommy?
I like orange juice.
Bala.
Can you tell everyone more about the monkey? What do they...
What do you need?
Yeah.
They need to eat or drink
Yeah.
or sip.
Yeah. And what does the monkey have?
The monkey have 4 legs.
Yeah. What else?
And
No, you see your monkey.
I have a question. How does the monkey climb?
How what?
Look at his tail.
Yeah.
That is he climbing.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Here is my friend's monkey.
Yes.
And he like to build. He like to build erasers. And look on his back. His back has one erasers. And now we talk about one monkey and one eraser. This is the eraser. This is one monkey. One monkey can climb up. Look at this. And he's climbing and he is catching the erasers. Okay? These erasers has many colors. What do you like colors?
What color do I like?
Yes?
I like the color of the rainbow. What color of the rainbow?
Many you see this?
Yeah. Is that the color of the rainbow?
Yes.
What can the eraser can be?
Can be can I write not good? I can use the eraser to what is Mommy?
Clear it.
Clear and I can write it.
Again.
Yes. Okay.
That's very good. And can you tell me the next animal?
Next animal, the monkey, and the next animal is the king of the dinosaurs. No, the king of jungle.
Oh, really? You think the elephant is the king of jungle?
And this is the last one, the horse and book.
And can you tell me about the horse?
Okay.
What do they have? What do they eat? What do they do?
What do they poop? Okay. Now I'll tell you about horse. They want this, Mommy. I don't know. You don't know too?
Yeah, I don't know.
Let's talk and don't talk about this. This is the tail. And this is have 4 legs like a monkey. Here, do you see who is taller?
The monkey.
Yes. And the monkey is riding to the horse. This is the horse. The horse has 2 ears and a heart. He's a girl.
So
And
you
2
have to say
nose.
she.
She has nose.
Two nose?
Here.
Oh.
And people have two noses too. One nose, two nose.
Hmm.
The alien has one eye and one nose.
Hmm.
That is very cool.
Hmm. So what do the horses
Ta-da.
eat? What does she eat?
She eats grass. And he run very quick. Run and jump very high. Okay?
Okay.
What next?
Why do you like the horse?
Because the horse can run and can ride on the back and can run fast, very fast.
Okay.
Like a super speed.
Okay. And try the last one.
That's fun. Okay.
Last one over there.
And king of the jungle. Hey, I am king of jungle. Here's the king of jungle is elephant.
Hello, King. What is your name?
My name is elephant.
My name is Lion. I hear that a little boy said you are the king of the jungle. Are you sure about that?
Yes, I am very big.
Show me your power.
Okay, look at this.
What can you do?
I can jump. Okay? What next?
Only drum?
Yes.
What do you have?
I don't have hands. And this is me. The elephant has bigger ears. And this. It's like a baby. Has long trunks or short trunks. Some elephants has short trunks and long trunks and have two eyes and have a tail very short and have 4 legs. And okay,
What can you do?
I can run and this elephant can walk.
Do you know any story about you? Do you know the story about the rabbit and the...
Tails.
Oh yeah. Can you read it? If you are king of the jungle, you have to know it.
I am not the king of the jungle.
You said, the little boy said you are.
Wait, what's the little boy?
It's Ken.
What's Ken? Another Ken?
This one. This boy said you are the king.
No.
Okay, so you tell me about the story and we will end the recording.
Okay. Now the story is. Okay, now finish.
Read me the story.
I don't like the story.
Okay, can you tell me any story about animal? Or can you tell me about your
God. This is like.
Yes, a lot of people is looking at you. So tell everyone.
This is a card. One card. Okay. This one is Pokemon of Pikachu. It's like this.
How to play?
Playing like this. That is playing, mommy.
Okay.
Playing is asking. I win, mommy. You are loser. Look at this. They're playing like this. Like that. Or like this.
Okay.
Or like
that's
this. And the card. You got the card of the power. This is my new card.
good. Who give it to you?
My best friends, me.
Oh,
Yeah,
how many do you have?
I have 2, 8.
28.
Yes, 28.
Hmm.
I have 28 cards, Mommy.
Who will you play with?
B and Hoa and Chi Lao. That's I play.
How many best friends do you have?
I have many best friends. I have 3 best friends.
Tell me their names.
Chi Long, Khoai, and B.
Oh,
That is my best friends.
friends.
Yes, when you call.
How to be a friend?
Huh?
How to be a friend?
Look at this new card.
Yes.
And we all will die.
Okay, so give it to me. Tung Lam,
Huh?
how to be a friend?
Now, let
No.
me see.
Answer my question.
Okay. What's your question, Mommy?
How to be a friend?
A friend is you don't know and you let you be a friend. That is a friend.
When we meet a new one, how to make friend?
Is hello
And smile.
and smile and hello.
So if we are friends, we hate each other, we fight each other,
No.
or we sharing,
Sharing,
helping,
helping,
and smiling.
and smiling.
Mm.
And playing
Yes.
cards.
Yes. Okay. You say goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone, and see you later. Stop! I can tell you about cards.
Okay.